Now, with the home buying season really starting to ramp up, I want to talk to you about where you go to get your mortgage if you need one. What makes me different than everyone else doing mortgages? Well, that's a really good question, and it's a fair question. So let me see if I can bring some clarification to this topic. If you have a mortgage right now, more than likely, you either walked into your local bank or you got set up with a mortgage company like Primary Residential. So what's the difference? Well, actually, there's quite a bit. Now, number one, for depository banks like Chase or First Interstate, places that you can walk into, mortgages are not their specialty. These are depository banks. Their bread and butter is taking in deposits, setting up savings and checking accounts, money market accounts, CDs, car loans, HELOCs, and then they have some basic mortgage options. So walking into a bank for a mortgage is a lot like walking into primary health for brain surgery.
What's the difference between a doctor and a brain surgeon? One's not exactly brain surgery, the other is brain surgery.
Number two, because they're a depository by law, a loan officer working in a bank is not required to be individually licensed. Only the branch is required to have a license to originate. As a loan officer at a mortgage company, I am required to attain and maintain my own license through federal and state mandated guidelines, and it's not particularly easy. Just over 50% of the people who take the NMLS test pass the first time. Fortunately, I am in that group. And then lastly, I eat what I kill.
The morning consumption of mass quantities. Grid-like breakfast slabs, extruded mammal tailings, seared strips of swine flesh, and flattened chicken embryos. I will enjoy
That is a depository employee is an hourly employee, which means they get paid on a consistent basis. For me, if I don't close a deal, I don't make any money. It's very similar to all you great realtors out there. And that means that I have a vested interest in seeing your deal close and doing the best job that I can for you so that hopefully you'll tell your friends and family so I can do more loans and help more people out. When it comes down to it, what's the difference? Simply put, it's service and it's expertise. Case in point, for those of you that have stuck around, I have a little bit of a surprise for you. Now, effective immediately, Fannie Mae is no longer requiring us to take into account 2106 expenses for self-employed borrowers.
Oh my God.
This is huge. If 2106 expenses have killed your deal in the past, or if you're working on one and it's killing it right now, please hit me up. Let me know what I can do for you right now. If you're looking into what options are available to you for your next mortgage, do yourself a favor, reach out to an experienced, licensed loan officer with a great company, much like myself, much like Primary Residential Mortgage. Thank you guys. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing you out there. Bye.